LA City 911 operator 645, police, fire, paramedics.
Gunshots.
Okay, what's the address? Are you at home?
Vendome Street.
Are you at home?
Huh? Yes.
Okay. And what's your address?
Like Vendome and Beverly.
Then okay. All right.
Huh?
And how many did you hear?
2 shots.
2 shots? Okay. And did you hear anything else?
That's all.
Okay. You didn't hear, like, people yelling or a car speeding away?
Yes. People yelling.
People are yelling?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What's your name? Hello?
Huh?
Where are they coming from? Or where did you hear the gunshots?
Cinnamon.
It's
Yep.
okay. All right. Did you see who did it?
Huh?
Did you see who shot the gun?
Yep. No, I didn't, but I seen the 2 shots.
Okay. Heard only, and then people screaming.
Yep.
Okay. How many people? Like one person or multiple?
Multiple.
Okay. And you're sure it came from this there?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Is your phone number?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to leave your name? One more time?
Yep.
Okay. All right. All right. We'll send the police out.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. LA City 911, operator 290.
There's gunshots right now.
Or what?
There's gunshot. I told you like before. 2-2. Vendome Street.
Oh, Vendome and Beverly?
Yep.
Okay, and what's going on now?
There's gunshots.
You heard them again?
Yep.
Okay, did you see or hear anything else at all?
I heard them like gunshots like we were like.
You heard what?
I heard them
Heard them what?
fighting like the gang members.
Oh, they were fighting? Do you know which gang they're from?
13.
13?
Yep.
Okay, and how many of them are there?
6.
6, you said?
Yeah.
All male Hispanics?
Male.
Male Hispanics?
Huh?
They're Hispanic, right?
Yep.
And did you see anybody shooting, or you just heard the gunshots?
I saw them.
You saw them shooting?
Yep.
What's the description of the guy that was shooting?
Latino.
What else?
He was like he ran to Beverly.
Well, if he's on Beverly, which direction did he run in?
Beverly and Vendome. But
Okay, but where did he run to? Because that's where they started, so where did he run?
that's why the parking lot.
Oh, they're still there?
Yep.
Okay, so the guy who was shooting, what color shirt and pants was he wearing?
All black.
About how old did he look? 20s, 30s, 40s?
Yeah, 20.
And he shot in the air, or where?
He shot the people.
Do you see anybody injured?
No.
So he shot at the group, and they're all just standing there still?
Yes.
Are they fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to keep you on the line, okay, since you can see them. Do you want to meet with officers?
Right now.
You
I
said
need
what?
officer right now. I need officer right now.
You what?
I need officer right now.
Yeah, I know we're sending them out right now, but do you want to meet with them?
No. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Don't hang up, okay? I'm going to talk to them.
Okay. Hello?
Hey, LAPD calling back. Was there any suspect vehicles there?
Nope.
So they're all still there in the parking lot?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hang up, okay? I want you to stay on the line until they get there.
Okay.
75. The pair advised the suspects are still in the parking lot fighting. And no vehicle description and no vehicles that's what the scene. The PR is possibly suffers from mental illness. Fish on in 7580.
Yes.
Hey, officer, are you still at the...
Yes.
Okay, do you see the officers?
Yes.
Do you want to meet with them? Do you want to go flag them down while I stay on the line? Sorry, 75, your pair advises he's inside the... going to step out to me. Do you see them? Do you see them?
Any Rampart unit, shots fired heard only, Vendome and Beverly. PR heard 2 gunshots, then multiple people yelling. Code 2 incident 0580 RD231.
How you guys doing?
Sorry, Tony, are you pair advises he's inside the... going to step out to me?
Two 845. We're gonna need officer needs help. We have shots fired on Vendome just south of Beverly. Hey, so right where you saw our light, citizens were reporting a gunshot, and as we're coming back down from Beverly, we heard a gunshot coming to the east side. Did not see a suspect initially. My partner possibly saw a male wearing dark clothing enter on the outside. Never made entry on Vendome. Hey, there's somebody in the car. Okay. Hey, he's got a gun. Hey, gun. 275 at the van right here in the parking lot, closest to Vendome on the southeast corner. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
I got him. In the back. He's leaning back. Hey, you gotta be talking about the great van underneath my light. Here's the great van. Okay, I got it.
Hey, I got it. Hey, shots fired. Shots fired. Hey, he's got a gun. Hey, he has a gun. Hey, gun. Yeah, I got him. Hey, we're gonna go up. You got point. Keep an eye on the car, on the van. So come around, low ready. Your point. You watch the suspect, or the PCO on the suspect. Ibarra's gonna cover the van. Roger. Padilla, you're gonna hook him up. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Let's go, Ibarra. All right. Let him go, and I'll go right behind him.
Go ahead. Your arms fucking
Hey,
flat.
hold it up. I'll make clear. Make sure you get through that now.
Hey, hustle up.
Sir.
Go ahead. Hurry up, hurry up.
2825 will go on westbound Vendome.
Don't fucking move, boy. Fucking hurry up.
Roger. Control has balls for speaking contact with the suspect. Roger.
Get your hands together.
Take his waistline, get his ass up.
Yep. Get your hands together.
Fucking squeeze that shit, man.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Calel-Acabal to a local hospital to be treated for injuries he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. After being treated, he was cleared for booking.